Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel of Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making gooey peanut butter and chocolate bars. I'm just sampling the peanut butter to see if it's good. Sit back and enjoy. Oh, Now we're going to start mixing the ingredients for the base. So we have 55 grams of roasted unsalted peanuts. We have 30 grams of raw cacao powder, a pinch of sea salt, 140 grams of rolled oats, and 95 grams of raisins, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And now we're gonna blend that together. Okay, and that's ready. That's ready now. Once you flatten the base down, put it in the fridge to chill for 1 hour. Okay, so now we're gonna start making the peanut butter filling. So we have here 2 large ripe bananas, 130 grams of natural smooth peanut butter, 65 grams of raisins, and 60 ml of melted coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And now I'm just going to mix it. Okay, so this is ready now. So now we're going to go on to the next stage. Now we're going to put the peanut butter filling onto the base. Okay, so I'm going to place this in the fridge and let it set for 2 hours. Now we're going to start on the chocolate topping. So we're going to use a water bath to melt all the ingredients together. I'm going to use 50 grams of raw cacao powder. I'm going to sift it. We're going to use 85 grams of solidified coconut oil and 80 ml of maple syrup. I'm just combining all the ingredients and stirring until it's all nice and smooth. So this is finished now. Now it's ready to pour over the filling. Whoa. So I'm going to set this in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. 6 hours? I want to eat it now. Just going to have to wait. So this has been in the fridge now for 6 hours. Now it's ready to cut up. So here we go guys, our gooey peanut butter and chocolate bars. Oh, hey guys, what are you doing in my pantry? Anyways, I hope you like our episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our page. See you next time.